You will love the features of this 2016 Buick Cascada. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. The Buick Cascada, the refined and luxurious convertible that meets your demands for driving pleasure as well as safety. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, premium sound system, backup camera. Isn't it time you lived a little? Help yourself to a slice of fun. Drive the Cascada.